Ooh, looks like just a hair high, and maybe a bit right.
Yeah, I think it broke a little on the right side.
Oh. Yeah, about in the same ballpark. We do have a slight breeze though.
Yeah.
That little slight breeze makes all the difference on a pigeon.
Yeah.
Fucking catbird.
Toast.
Toasted.
Ready for the card trick?
Which one, the tree or?
No.
Oh, okay. The big one.
Did I hit the rock and miss the pigeon?
I think so. I heard the pop.
Is the rock still standing?
The rock's still standing, and the pigeon is still there. You're hitting at the upper pigeon that's sitting on the ground, right?
Yeah.
Not the lower one.
No.
Okay, so.
No, it's tipped over, isn't it? That looked a little left, didn't it?
I think so. That's still minute of deer.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's minute of dog. Koi dog.
Go for the tree.
Okay.
I got it, I think.
I think so.
But I think I hit it on the, I think the right side. I was actually, when it broke, I was on the right side.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Dust cloud.